Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Unga Health. This is an immunity and metabolism boost recipe variation of Rosemary Gladstar's cold and flu cough syrup. I will leave a link in the description down below. What I used was 1/2 of an onion chopped, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic roughly chopped, 1/3 cup of agave honey, 1/2 of a lemon, 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder, 1 teaspoon of bee pollen, as well as 1/2 cup of purified water.
So far away, at the setting of the sun, when my long day's work was done, I rambled down the seashore for a walk, and I, being all alone, I sat down upon a stone for to gaze upon the scenes of New York.
And then I blended it all up in a high-speed blender. This is what it looks like afterward. It's a really pretty, algae green color. It's the water adds the liquidy consistency. So, yeah.
I never will roam. You're my own.
And then I poured the mixture into a clean mason jar. If you do not like the bits of onion and garlic fragments, you may use a cheesecloth to strain it. However, this will eliminate a lot of the benefits. Honey is antibacterial and is good for your overall health. Onions help regulate blood sugar as well as being high in vitamin C, and they also help reduce inflammation. Garlic is antibacterial, antifungal, and also helps with reducing inflammation. If you have a problem with inflamed sinuses or really any inflammation, consuming raw garlic is a good home remedy. Although it can be difficult, there are ways you can incorporate raw garlic into your diet. If you'd like to know how I do it, leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll make a video. Lemons are super high in vitamin C, calcium, iron, and copper, which gives the added benefit of skin and hair health. Lemons also help with cleansing the digestive system. Spirulina is an algae that's high in protein and essential vitamins as well as antioxidants. It doesn't have much of a flavor, so you can really put it into any drink or food recipe. Bee pollen is also high in protein and can help those with weak immune systems build an immunity to seasonal allergies. You'll want to label and refrigerate this. It has a pretty long shelf life. And whenever you're feeling a tickle in your throat or if you're sick, take a small teaspoon, the mixing spoon, twice a day. Once when you wake up and before you go to sleep. You can have it throughout the day as well if you choose. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.
So far away. Oh, in Robert Creek, you're the dear old land to me.
I will be drying out these lemon rinds for future purposes.